Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news for Friday, October 30th, 2015. Today in the news, we have the Tor Project. Tor Project, for those that follow my channel, you might know that they have a Tor browser. This is the what we call the onion router. Basically, it's the dark web. A lot of people heard about this part of the internet called the dark web. The dark web is technically a encrypted version of the internet. It is available through the internet. It's just that it's basically something that is encrypted for safety. And there's some people that actually like browsing the dark web instead of browsing the regular internet to just be safer. And the Tor project has released, they already had the Tor Messenger, but they've released a new version of it that will now be compatible with Google Talk, Facebook Chat, Yahoo Chat, and IRC. Meaning that, you know what, if you want to stay secure by having all of your communications encrypted, that could be a nice little messenger to use instead of using the regular messenger apps that are not encrypted, and that pretty much everybody can see what you're saying to anybody else if they want to for real. So why not check it out? An interesting little project. I think this is cool. More and more people want to have privacy. More and more people want to stop governments and companies from spying on what we do with our computers, and I think that's a good thing. So the Tor Messenger has been updated for that. Interesting news. Google has said that apparently the Chrome OS, which is the operating system that Google has on Chromebooks, which are small, inexpensive laptops, and Android that are on some tablets and some phones, might merge together to give some kind of an hybrid operating system that would be a universal operating system across platforms. That would mean that, if you're on a phone, you're on a tablet, you're on a laptop, you would have the same operating system, the same apps, the same way of working. You know what? This is great. Microsoft is the first to try this, is the first to work hard to have a Windows 10 across platforms. I think that's really cool. Windows 10 phone, Windows 10 on tablets, Windows 10 on PCs, all work the same, all have pretty much the same apps with the universal apps. It's really, really nice to have that. Google has decided that maybe that's the way to go for the future. And I think it is. You know what? People are really, really going crazy about the fact that you get on your computer, you do something. You want to do it on your tablet, it's different. You want to do it on your phone, it's different. It is annoying, and it is interesting that there would be some kind of unified operating system there. So Google jumping on the bandwagon. You know what? I don't understand why Apple is not jumping on that bandwagon. For a long time, I always thought that iPads and Macs should have the same kind of unified operating system, not something different. And it does seem that Apple is completely out with that. They're not even checking it out. So it shows you that Apple is not there all the time. Even on the iPhone, it took a long time before they understood that people want to have big screens. So when I hear people saying no, Apple does everything first, yeah, right. Let's talk about it another day. If you are looking for a little cute game, look at the Google Doodle. Google has transformed the Google Doodle into a little game for Halloween weekend, and basically it's a cute little game. What you do is you choose your global team, and all you have to do is pick up as many candy as you can. It's a cute little game, avoiding, of course, the monsters. So after you play that little game that isn't very, very long, basically, you just go to get your score, as you see here. It's a fun little game, plays with the mouse or the trackpad. Basically, to jump around, all you have to do is click. It's very easy to understand. And all of that is added to what seems to be a global score. So it's interesting to note. So I don't know if everybody plays the blue one, if that blue line is going to go up. It does seem like it is, so that's an interesting thing. So for Halloween weekend, nice little game for Google, from the Google page. Just go to google.com and have a little bit of fun. And finally, updates, updates, and updates. Windows 10 has received cumulative updates for yesterday, October 29th, and today, October 30th. Cumulative update KB 310 5210 and KB 310 6932. One is an update. 310 5210 is a cumulative update that fixes some security features here in Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer. There were some security flaws. This will fix that, and also improves upon general compatibility and the Windows 10 operating system itself. And also another update that apparently, with not a lot of news about it, updates simply gives some kind of, this update makes improvements to ease the upgrade experience to Windows 10, whatever that means. Once again, not a lot of news in these updates, which is a little sad. We at least know in the cumulative update that there are some security updates with it, which is interesting. It seems that when security is involved, they do security bulletins where they talk about it. So at least there's that. So update your computers. Just go into the Windows update and make sure that you update for the latest updates here of Windows 10, available if you haven't done so already. So that was the news for Friday, October 30th, 2015. Have a good weekend. Have a good Halloween. Don't eat too much candy and don't get too frightened, hopefully. Or maybe do get frightened if that's what you like. So if you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, problems, why not ask away? We'll try to help you if we can. And your feedback is always welcome and always interesting. If you like our videos, give us thumbs up. Helps us on the ratings on YouTube. And thank you so much for following us and having a great gang follow the channel.